everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Oh, it's Wednesday. What? What? I know, my home tour. Well, my home tour is going to be up on Friday. So I'm really excited this year, more than ever. Actually, pretty much the same as every other year. I think I did a lot. Some people might think I did not enough. Some people might think I did a lot, depending on how you view things. So today, I want to show you the hallway. And I also want to show you this amazing DIY. And it's a sign. Now, guys, I have seen signs that look like this, that are this big, on Etsy and on Pinterest and on Instagram and stuff like that. People sell these signs for a huge amount of money, ranging between anywhere between 150, I've seen, to well over 200. This is so inexpensive. I'm even proud of myself. I'm proud of myself because I was going to throw this out. I was truly going to throw this out. Okay, so what I did is I came up with this idea a while ago. And I was kind of working on it here and there whenever I had time. So you'll see clips of me in different outfits. I worked on it here and there, but wait till you see it because it is amazing. So I'm going to roll the clips, and then guess what? I even had help. Putting up the sign. Yours truly. I never get help. So very blessed for that. You'll see who it is. Watch the clips and you'll see who helped me. Okay. So come back after, and then I'm going to give you a tour of the hallway because I think it turned out so cute this year. I love it. It has enough childlike for children. It has enough for adults. It has the true meaning of Christmas. It has the lights, the glitz, the glam, a little bit of farmhouse. Yeah, come back to the end and see what I did. Okay, guys, let's get started. So I bought this sign last year at Walmart, and it broke. I was just showing you there where it broke on the two spots, and I glued it. And what I'm doing here now is just refreshing it with some red paint. The paint is from the dollar store. It's nothing special, but I just wanted to refresh it and give it, a really nice color. I just lightly paint it on and make it look fresh. So as I was telling you about this DIY, I've seen many signs like this throughout the internet, a lot on Instagram and Etsy and stuff like that. And they range from $150 to $210. I've seen them. So what I did, and I should have done this with you, but I did it at the shop, just so you know. I took a piece of MDF and cut it to the size that I wanted. And your local Home Depot or Lowe's will cut this for you. But what I did to make it even more substantial is I made a frame. Okay, this is a few days later. And I'm just showing you the paint has dried. I did 2 coats of the white paint. And I'm taking these little brackets off that the sign had. And keep those to the side because they're great to use them when you are going to hang the actual sign up. Okay, this is how I found the smartest way to attach it. Now, many of you might not have this kind of gun. You might not need this construction stuff. Let me tell you what this is called. This is called No More Nails. That's what it's called. You can also buy it in a squeeze tube bottle at Home Depot or Lowe's or any local hardware store that you might have in your area. And just spread it apart. It is amazing. It is a construction adhesive, but it dries really quick. Now, if I was at the shop, I would have put clamps on. but I just used my stacks of magazines to hold it down. This is the best. I never have help, guys. Never. And I'm petrified of heights. I always tell you this. I'm so petrified of heights. This is Angela's boyfriend. He's the nicest boy you will ever meet in your life. We love him. We absolutely love him. And he was gracious enough to hang my sign up while I barked orders at him from down below. He's such a good kid. I'm very, very thankful for him. Okay, guys, so this is my hallway. I just want to give you some ideas. This sign here is a great, great sign. I love it. And the believe is raised and the relaxed is raised. And I think I got this last year. Now, I've had this kind of look in my hallway for a while now. Kind of getting bored of it. So we'll see what I come up with after Christmas. I have 2 of these galvanized half buckets, and then I just put lots of greenery in there, and then I did the ribbon. And you'll see this ribbon ties in with the ribbon on the staircase. So I'm going to turn you this way, and our furry friend is here. Now, that's Barky. No, I'm joking. That's Miss Mia. Miss Mia, you going to say hi, Mimi? Mimi. Hi. There she is. She's just, looking outside. Okay, so this is what I did with my garland. And it's pretty much the same thing as last year. I just want to show it to you. So it's very, very traditional. It's red, gold, and green. And this very, very, very nice... this is the garland that I really like, guys. This is the one from Lowe's that I keep telling you about. And what I did is I doubled my ribbon. You'll see this red velvet ribbon and then the plaid. And then I did ornament clusters, 3 of them together. And then this here is a little garland from Michael's from last year. And you can see it all over. I just intertwined it just to give it some extra. And I did ornament clusters all the way up. And then where the ribbon, where the swags meet, and we'll go up there in a minute because I know you see that. Where the swags meet, right there in the corners, right there, I did the plaid and gold ribbon. Let me pan back so you can get a look of it. But don't worry, we're going to go up there. And I did it all the way up, all the way around. So that's what that looks like. And then over here, I had to move my my French chair out of my living room to make room for it. So I just draped this blanket and I put a little Santa pillow. Last year I had a little table here with some cookies for Santa. I don't know if I'm going to do it this year. And then I brought this sign in. Now I just have it leaned on the floor. I'm thinking I want to put one of my lanterns here maybe, but I'm not sure yet. Let me show you this over here. Okay, this is my front hallway table and you can see it there. You can see the mirror. Let me show you the mirror. A lot of people ask me, a lot of people ask me about the mirror. So this is a all like hand carved mirror and it's from my dad. My daddy made it for me. Yes, and it's very, very beautiful and very, very ornate. Let's put it that way. And a lot of people ask me about it. And yes, so my dad used to be, before he retired, he did custom furniture and stuff like that. And he built stuff for churches. So this is what I did. I put this runner down from Pier 1. I really like it. It's really nice. I've had it for years. And then this little angel plate. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe, if you want to put your keys in or something, or little candies. I don't know, maybe some mints. I'll put some mints in there. But then I love my nativity scene. I don't even know where I got it from. I just love the rusticness of it. And I just think it's just perfect. It's the perfect thing. For me, obviously, Christmas is about Jesus, the birth of Jesus. So here I just kept it very, very neutral. The whole table is neutral. The decor is neutral. I just put my dough bowl on the bottom with some wintry picks and some pine cones, and then picks with small pine cones. You know, I just wanted it very, very simple. Let me pan back so you can see on either side of the mirror. Okay guys, so this is the full view. I added these candle holders that I had just to make it a little more substantial because it's pretty neutral here. This area is pretty neutral, but I really wanted to keep it neutral. It's like the transition point in my house that goes from the front to the back. And when you come back and you see the full home tour, you'll understand that you definitely need a transition point, because the other part of the house is kind of more farmhouse, and this front of the house is a little more traditional. Okay, so now you got an idea. Okay, this is my favorite thing. Look how beautiful. I mean, look how good the sign looks up there. I mean, it's huge, guys. I wish you could see how big this really is. It's really big, and oh, the color changed. Okay, so let me take you upstairs and show you more in detail. Okay, see the sign now? You can really see it from up here. You can really see how big it is and how well it turned out. Now, I want you to keep in mind that this Santa Claus is just over 5 feet tall. And we've had him since Angela was, oh my, I think she was 4 or 5. Yeah. So what I did here on my ledge, and you're going to see the ledge there. It's not a very big ledge, but it curves. I think you can get the gist of it, that it curves like the staircase does. So what I did is I put these trees from Walmart. One's a 4 foot and the other one's a 3 foot. And I put one on the box and I put one on the ledge. And then I just wrapped some gifts. I made some pretty packages. And I put a rocking horse and some faux snow, which everybody topples over every time they walk down the staircase for some reason. And then I just wrapped some lights in the little trees, and I think they look so cute. I mean, these trees were great, guys. I bought these right at the beginning of the season because last year I couldn't get them. Let me pan back, give you a better look of how this all looks together. Okay, now that I've really panned back, you can get an idea of how big this area is. The ledge is not very deep, so that was kind of my thing. And last year I did something completely different, but this year I really like what I did this year. I really like it. I'm really happy with the gifts and the trees and the lights and everything. I just think it looks great. I love the sign. I think it's great. And so I just really wanted to share with you guys and show you. So this is it. Look, I'm gonna give you a view of going down the staircase. It looks so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. Okay, my sweet peeps, what do you think? It's good, right? I got help. I know, it's so nice of him. I'm so happy with the way the hallway turned out this year. I love the garland. I think my garland on my staircase is just the right amount. It's not over the top. It's not understated. It's exactly what I like, somewhere in the middle. I love my sign. I think that sign turned out amazing. I mean, I wasn't about to go pay right now almost $200 for a sign like that. If you have a Cricut machine, you know, I don't know how to use those machines. I've heard of them. I heard you can make amazing things. I wish I knew how to use those machines. I have no idea. But I heard you can make amazing signs. So maybe like use your creativity if you've got a Cricut machine, or just buy one of those things from Walmart and have, somebody from Home Depot cut out a piece of MDF or plywood for you and just paint it with inexpensive paint, glue it on, and you got yourself an amazing sign. Anyways, so I hope you're having a great day. Angela and I would love to thank you for the love on Monday's video. We had a blast making that video. We had a blast. Her room turned out so good, right? I know. I'm jealous. I need to do my room. I haven't even done my room because it's what happens. Moms always get put to the end. Anyways, I hope you have a fantastic week ahead. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah. See you guys soon.